How to fix BRS Golf app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix BRS Golf app not working. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your BRS Golf app is up to date. If the app is outdated, there may be glitches and bugs that might be causing this kind of issues. Launch Play Store or App Store depending upon your device and search for BRS Golf app. If you find the update button, you simply need to tap on update and update it to the latest version. Now you need to check whether your BRS app is working or not. If it is not working, simply head towards the settings of your device, scroll down and then select apps. Now tap app management and now search for BRS Golf app. Open it and after that you will get access to the app info section where you have to select storage uses and tap clear cache. This will fix different kinds of glitches on the app. Get back to the same app info section and check whether your BRS app is working or not. If it is not working, select the uninstall button and tap OK button. Once uninstalled, you have to head back to the Play Store or App Store and then again tap install and install it to your device. Once you have followed this all the steps, your BRS Golf app not working issue will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.